little baby squirrels I've been taking care of for the last 3 days at most are now going into a bigger cage. They're all sleeping. They have no idea what's happening. Okay. This one. Here, I'll put him in the hammock. Number 2. Oh, you see what's happening. There you go. There's the gray one. There we go. Oh, look, you're on a branch. Now they can be more squirrel-like. You. Some are happy in the hammock and others already climbing. And last one. Whoa, whoa, whoa. You're gonna be okay.